Hi students, today morning from 9 to 10 completed JEE test. In that for the chapter indefinite integrals, in that 30 questions to 20 have in material only. From 21 we given from other material. Those questions we'll discuss now. Question number 21, integral cos x plus x sin x by x into x plus cos x dx. Now to simplify, to divide with denominator, I'll add x and I'll subtract with x by x into x plus cos x into dx. Here x plus cos x, I will take from this 2 minus is common, remaining 1 minus sin x divided by x into x plus cos x into dx. Now if we divide with the denominator, x plus cos x will be cancelled, only 1 by x minus xx cancel, 1 minus sin x by x plus cos x. Integral of 1 by x, this is clearly log mod x. The derivative of denominator is what? X derivative 1, sin x cos derivative minus sin, that is integral f dash of x by f of x. Log mod f of x plus c. Clearly it is in the form of log a minus log b, that is log of a by b, x by x plus cos x plus c, that is option 2 is the correct one. Next, question number 22. The value of integral sin x plus cos x divided by root of 1 plus sin 2x into e power sin x into cos x into dx. To simplify this, we can simplify this by removing square root, that is sin x plus cos x divided by, in the place of 1 I can take sin square x plus cos square x, sin 2x formula 2 sin x into cos x. What remaining is there? E power sin x into cos x dx. From this, sin x plus cos x into e power sin x into cos x by denominator in the form of a plus b whole square, sin x plus cos x whole square into dx. Square root is cancelled. Next step, sin x plus cos x and sin x plus cos x will be cancelled. What remaining? E power sin x into cos x dx. Now which function derivative present in this? Sin derivative cos. That's why I will take sin x is t. If you differentiate this, sin x derivative cos x into dx equal to dt. So from this integral e power t dt, e power t derivative is e power t plus c, e power, what is t means e power x, e power sin x plus c, that is option 1 is the correct one. Next, question number 23. Integral x power 9 minus x whole power 1 by 9 divided by x power 10 dx. Now your highest power in x is 9 in numerator and power what is there 1 by 9. That's why if you take x power 9 is common, this 9 will be gets cancelled. So x power 9 whole power 1 by 9 into 1 minus, it will divide here x by x power 9 means 1 by x power 8 whole power 1 by 9 divided by x power 10 dx. 9 and cancel. Here x power 1 and here x power 10 cancel means x power remain 9 remaining in denominator, 1 by is taken to numerator, x power minus 8 whole power 1 by 9 divided by what will get x power 9, reason here 1 x will be cancelled. Now I will take this is t, 1 minus x power minus 8 is t. If you differentiate this, what will get? 1 derivative 0, x power n derivative, that is minus 8, minus of minus plus 8, x power minus 9 dx equal to dt. 8 send right side, this one take to denominator, 1 by x power 9 into dx equal to 1 by 8 into dt. While substituting there, 1 by 8 I will take common, integral of this is completely t power 1 by 9 into dt. T power 1 by x power n formula, 1 by 9 plus 1, that is 10 by 9 by 10 by 9 plus c. This 10 by 9 becomes reverse, 9 by 10 From this we can write the value wise 9 by 80 because 8 tens are 80, you will get t. What remaining t? T means what? 1 minus x power minus 8 whole power 10 by 9 plus c. From this 9 by 80 1 minus x power minus 8, you can write 1 by x power 8 whole power 10 by 9 plus c. That is option 3 is the correct one. Next, coming to question number 24. Integral sine of x power x degrees dx. While doing integral of sine x, where x is a radian, but here it is given in terms of degrees. That's why already we know 1 degree value pi by 180 radians. Like that, x degrees means what? Pi x by 180. To integrate this, integral sine of pi x by 180 dx. Now we can integrate this by applying integral of sine x formula. Integral of sine is minus cos pi x by 180 by inner function derivative pi by 180 plus c. This will be reverse. What will you get? Minus 180 by pi cos. This again we can replace with which one? X degrees plus c. That is option 1 is the correct one. Question number 25. The value of integral x minus a into x power n minus 1 plus a into x power n minus 2 plus and so on a power n minus 1 dx. This is the expansion of x power n minus a power n dx. So integrate separately integral of x power n dx. A power n is a constant, integral of 1 dx. Integral of x power n is x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 minus a power n into x plus c is the answer. That is option 1 is the correct one. Next, question number 26. Integral of tan inverse of root of 1 minus x by 1 plus x dx. In this, separately let's simplify this tan inverse of function. Tan inverse of root of 1 minus x by 1 plus x. To simplify this, I will substitute here x is equal to cos 2 theta. Reason 1 minus cos 2 theta is 2 sin square theta. Here 2 cos square theta will come. 2 to cancel. Sin square by cos square tan square. Root of tan square means root square cancel. Tan inverse of tan theta will get theta. Simplification wise. That's why I am substituting x value is cos 2 theta. From this theta we will get 1 by 2 cos inverse x. Later we will use this value. Tan inverse of root of 1 minus cos 2 theta by 1 plus cos 2 theta. That is tan inverse of root of 1 minus cos 2 theta formula is 2 sin square theta. This is 2 cos square theta. 2 to cancel. And this one assume as I and take it as equation number 1. Now from this tan inverse of root of tan square theta will get square root will be cancel. That is tan inverse of tan theta. Theta. Theta means what? 1 by 2 cos inverse x. The value of this function, say from 1 I equal to integral tan inverse of root of 1 minus x by 1 plus x value how much? 1 by 2 cos inverse x dx. In this cos inverse x is one function into 1 by 2 dx. Now product of two values, that's why u is cos inverse x, v dash is 1 by 2. U dash how to find? Derivative of cos inverse x minus 1 by root of 1 minus x square. V means integral of 1 by 2 dx. K dx, kx by 2. Kx will get, that is x by 2. Well, integral u v formula we know. U cos inverse x, v is x by 2 minus integral of u dash minus 1 by root of 1 minus x square into x by 2 into dx. Don't take minus outside, keep inside only x by 2 into cos inverse x minus, take only this 1 by 2 common, 1 by 2 into integral of what remaining minus 1 into x minus x by root of 1 minus x square dx. To differentiate this one inside the root, 1 derivative 0 minus x square derivative is minus 2x. 2 is not there, that's why I will multiply and divide with 2. x by 2 into cos inverse x minus 1 by 4 into integral f dash of x by root f of x, 2 root f of x plus c. Here 2 ones are, 2 twos are. Finally answer is x by 2 into cos inverse x minus 1 by 2 into root of 1 minus x square plus c. That is option 2 is the correct one. Next. Question number 27. Secant power 100x into tan x dx. Now you can simplify easily this one. This I can write secant power 99x into secant x into tan x dx. Now which function derivative present here? Secant derivative is secant into tan. That's why I will substitute secant x is t. Secant x t means differentiate this. What will you get? Secant x into tan x into dx equal to dt. Now from this integral of secant x means t power 99 into dt. Integral of exponent formula 99 plus 1 100 by 100 plus c. Secant t means secant x, that is secant power 100x by 100 plus c. If not visible, I will write here, no problem. So last t means substitute, that is secant power 100x by 100 plus c. That is option 3 is the correct one. Next, question number 28. Integral e power tan inverse root x by root x plus x power 3 by 2 dx. In this e power integral e power tan inverse root x by root x plus x power 3 by 2, we can write x into root x, because here power 1 root means 1 by 2, 1 plus 1 by 2 is 3 by 2 will get e power tan inverse root x by root x is common, remaining 1 plus x dx. Now I will substitute tan inverse root x is t, the derivative present in this. If you differentiate this, tan inverse derivative 1 by 1 plus x square, root x whole square is x, again root x derivative is 1 by 2 root x into dx equal to dt. But 2 is not present in this, that's why 2 send that side. So remaining what? 1 by root x into 1 plus x dx equal to 2 dt. I will take 2 is common, 2 into e power t dt. 2 into e power t integration e power t plus c, that is 2 into e power tan inverse root x plus c, that is option 2 is the correct one. Question number 29. Integral sin 2x by a cos square x plus b sin square x dx. Now I will differentiate denominator now. By denominator derivative I will get sin 2x more value. So here I will put a cos square x plus b sin square x equal to t. If you differentiate this, what you will get? A into cos square derivative 2 cos x, again cos derivative minus sin x, total minus 2 sin x into cos x plus b sin square derivative 2 sin x, again sin derivative cos into dx equal to dt. 2 sin x cos x is sin 2x, that is total minus a sin 2x plus b sin 2x into dx equal to dt. From the sin 2x I will take common, sin 2x common is what? Plus b minus a, b minus a into sin 2x dx equal to dt. Now b minus a not there, that's why send right side, sin 2x dx equal to 1 by b minus a into dt. That 1 by b minus a I will take common, remaining sin 2x dx is 1 by b minus a, dt remaining 1 by t dt. That is 1 by b minus a into log mod t or ln, same symbol meaning. So 1 by b minus a into log of mod a means what? A cos square x plus b sin square x plus c, that is option 1 is the correct one. Next, last question, question number 30. Integral of sin inverse x minus cos inverse x by sin inverse x plus cos inverse x dx. So according to inverse trigonometric property, sin inverse x, this cos inverse x I can use pi by 2 minus sin inverse x divided by sin inverse x plus cos inverse x value is pi by 2. This will be reverse. Reverse means what will get 2 by pi minus or minus plus, you will get 2 sin inverse x minus pi by 2 into dx. Now multiply this 2 by pi inside and integrate separately. 2 by pi into 2, that is 4 by pi only sin inverse x dx minus 2 by pi into pi by 2 cancel, you will get only integral of 1 dx. Here the only sin inverse direct, we don't have formula, we need to integrate by using uv formula. U is sin inverse x and v dash is 1. U dash 1 by root of 1 minus x square. V means integral of 1 dx, that is x. 4 by pi u sin inverse x, v x minus integral u dash. U dash is 1 by root of 1 minus x square. V is x, total x by under root of 1 minus x square dx. Minus integral of 1 dx is minus x. Now we are 4 by pi, first writing x into sin inverse x. This derivative what? 1 minus x square derivative minus 2x. Here minus 2 not there. That's why I'll divide, I'll take minus inside, that is plus. Only minus x will be there by root of 1 minus x square dx. But we need minus 2x. That's why after sending minus, I will divide with 2 and multiply with 2. Now we can apply formula. Now what is the formula we can apply in this case? 4 by pi x into sin inverse x plus 1 by 2 into integral f dash of x by root f of x. 2 root f of x. 2 root of 1 minus x square minus x plus c. Here 2 cancel. Finally 4 by pi x into sin inverse x plus root of 1 minus x square minus x plus c. That is option 1 is the correct. If any other questions also doubt is there, send message to me. I will send the solution for that. Thank you.